How to export SafePal wallet data securely. Our guest facing issues to export SafePal data. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To export your SafePal data securely, open the SafePal application and go to Settings menu. Once you enter the menu, scroll down to find Export Data or Transaction Info. Tap on it and you'll be asked to choose the type of data you want to add, like transaction history or wallet info. Select your preference and tap Export. The app will generate a file usually in CSV or PDF format. For your safety, never share this file publicly or only store it in secure offline location or encrypted drive. Avoid uploading it to the cloud unless it's protected. Remember, exporting data is helpful for tax records, backups, or audits, but always handle it with care. And if you don't know how to complete any of these steps, make sure to check out our other videos in this channel for full guidance. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.